Okay, so this is going to be electron configuration and the box orbitals practice. So this is the worksheet that you guys have in front of you. We're going to start with number 1, which is cobalt. The periodic table you're allowed to use on your exam is this one. You can use the one that's titled everything, labeled like halogens, alkali earth, but you cannot use the periodic table that has the everything written out for you. So you can go ahead and use this one. These are the S's, D's, and P's, and we're going to cobalt, which is number 27. Okay, so you have to work your way through. You start with the S's. Okay, I'm going to write it down. Cobalt, you should have gotten 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, and 3d. Okay. 3d, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3d7. Why is it 3d7? So let's look where cobalt is. Cobalt is in the D block. We know D start at 3D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So wherever you're going to stop, that's what the exponent is on it. I'm going to show you the box orbitals. The arrows. That's what you guys know it as. The arrows. Every time there's an S, it is only allowed to get 2 arrows in the S's. Okay? That's 1S. This is 2S. How many arrows can the P's get? 6. A total of 6. That's the max. So this is how you would do it. 3S. I'm just writing what's written above. 3P, 4S, and 3D. Okay, so if you don't know how to do the arrows, this would be a good one to follow along. Okay, so the S's can only have 2 arrows. Why is that? Because it's really saying 2 electrons spinning in opposite directions. If you don't ever remember during the exam, the S's only have 2 elements in the S box. The D's have 10 and the P's have 6. That's why it can hold however many arrows, because that's how many elements you're skipping over. So for 1S, it's an arrow up and an arrow down. The P's, sometimes I like to draw it like this, so you know you have to put 1 in at a time before you can go back and double up. So after you have the electron configuration, then you just draw the boxes under, or like the lines underneath. D, how many boxes should I draw for D if it can hold 10? 5. Because 2 electrons, or 2 arrows, can go in each. But it's 3D7. I'm not going all the way to 10. The rule is you have to fill up every box at least once before you can double up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's it. So if you know how to do electron configuration, if you know how to get these letters and the exponents, then you know how to do the boxes. We'll do iodine. Okay, so the electron configuration you should have gotten for iodine is going to be 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and 4s2, 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, 4d10, and then it's 5p, and here's iodine where 5p is. 5p, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5p5. 5p5. And just due to being short on time, I'm not going to do the box orbitals for this one. It's pretty lengthy. If you want to see, to check if your answers are right, I'll post the answers up in the classroom. Okay? There's one new thing I want to show you. I've saved the best for last. It's the shortcut. Flip the page. Okay, let's look at number 43. If we go to number 43, it's right here. That's going to take a long time, okay? It takes a really long time to do that. So the trick is, you guys will be happy, you start, okay? So you start at the last noble gas above it. So the last noble gas above it is 36. Remember, this very last row are noble gases. So you're going to begin with a noble gas. So 43 is here, and the noble gas right above it is Kr. So you would literally start, it goes like this, Kr. Okay, you start with Kr. After Kr, what energy level are you in? 5s. So you do Kr 5s, 1, 2, just like normal. After 5s2, it's 4d. Let me show you right here. 4d, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we stop at the fifth one because that's the element we are trying to show. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you're done. That's it. Okay? No more writing all that long stuff. All you have to do is start at the last noble gas above it. So let's go ahead and look at nickel, number 28. It's right here. Can anyone tell me the noble gas before nickel? Yeah, Ar. Argon. So you're going to start with argon. Okay, and after argon, what's your next energy level? 4s2. And then 3d. So what we did was, we started here at argon, and we're trying to get to, is it nickel? We're trying to get to nickel right here. So it's 4s2, 3d, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3d8. And you're done. Okay? So this is the shortcut way. Sometimes it goes like, it'll just have that. And it's going to ask you to identify what is AR, 4s2, 3d8. What you guys would do is go to argon and then count these out. Or if you maybe don't remember energy levels, count these little exponents. There's number 8 and then 2. We get out at 52. Okay, so there's 8 and there's a 2. So that's 10. So start at argon and count 10 after. Argon's here, and then 10 later is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It takes you to the right one. So however many little exponents are, that's the element you're going to. I'll let you guys do that. I just wanted to practice 2 of these with you. And then we will go through the periodic quiz for your exam. Can anyone tell me what this... Oh, and also I made a mistake here, guys. It's 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. It's my fault. I'm very upset because now all my copies are messed up. But regardless, if that wasn't there, you guys can still figure out what it is if you count the little exponents. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is atomic number 8? Anyone? Oxygen. That's what that one is. Let's do the next one together. I'm just counting up these numbers up top. Go ahead and start counting them. I'm going to count them too. Write down your answer and see if it's right. What did you guys get? Yeah, atomic number 24 is CR. Because there's 24 little exponents. Okay? You guys keep working on this. I want to check it before we go so I can give you guys a grade in the grade book. Does anybody have any questions?